So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Luray Cavern sa Virginia, USA. And this is really amazing in here because you see this cavern. There are lots of stalactites and stalagmites. It's really amazing as always. Ayan ang actually napakalaki niya, and this was declared as a national landmark in 1973. At tingnan ninyo ang maraming formation ng mga stalactites and stalagmites. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hawakan yung mga yan dahil you will disturb yung kanilang pag-develop. No? Kaya humahaba yung mga yan dahil sa tulo or yung flow ng tubig, at hindi pwedeng basta-basta hawakan yung mga yan dahil madidistract yung kanilang formation. Napakaganda talaga. So, if you have the chance one day in your life, you should put this in your bucket lists. Lalo sa mga adventurer. You'll see